happy kids.
1. One son. 2. Two parrots. 3. Three flowers. 4. Four cars. 5. Five candies. 6. Six books. 7. Seven dogs. 8. Eight apples. 9. Nine balls. 10. 10 cherries. Yay! You did it, kids! We learned numbers from 1 to 10 using fun objects. Keep practicing and you'll be a counting champion.